Hello, my amazing English learners. Welcome back to another episode of English Listening Practice. I'm so happy to have you here with me again. Whether you're walking, relaxing, studying, or even doing your chores, thank you for taking this time to practice your English. Every minute you spend listening, repeating, and thinking in English brings you one step closer to fluency. Today's episode is going to be very special because we're going to talk about something simple, but very powerful. It's something you can practice every single day, and it will completely change how you understand and speak English. So grab a cup of tea, take a deep breath, and get ready for another fun and helpful practice session. You're not alone on this journey. I'm here with you every step of the way. Let's grow together, one sentence at a time. Are you ready? Let's begin. Section 1. Why simple sentences matter. Many learners think they need to know big words and complex grammar to speak fluent English. But the truth is, real communication starts with simple, everyday sentences. Think about your day. You wake up, brush your teeth, make tea, talk to your family, go outside, do your work, and relax at night. Each of these moments can be expressed in English using short and natural sentences like, I'm brushing my teeth. Let's have breakfast. I need to go to the store. This tea smells so good. When you master these kinds of sentences, speaking English becomes easy and automatic. You don't need to stop and translate. You don't need to worry about perfect grammar. You just speak. And here's the best part. These are the same kinds of sentences native speakers use every single day. So when you practice them, you're training yourself to speak the way real people do. In this episode, we'll focus on these powerful daily sentences. We'll listen, repeat, shadow, and even act them out so you can make English part of your daily life. Let's dive into it and start speaking naturally, like a real English speaker. Section 2. Speak with me, easy morning sentences. Let's begin with something simple and useful, your morning routine. Mornings are a perfect time to start speaking English because it sets the tone for your day. Imagine this. You wake up and instead of thinking in your native language, you start talking to yourself in English. It might feel funny at first, but it's one of the best ways to build fluency. Let's go through a natural morning routine together. I'll say each sentence slowly. You listen, then repeat after me. Ready? Here we go. Good morning. I feel fresh today. I had a nice sleep. Time to get out of bed. I'm brushing my teeth. Now I'm washing my face. Let's take a shower. I'm making tea. This tea smells amazing. I'm eating toast with butter. I'm ready to start my day. Now, let's try it again, a little faster, more naturally. Good morning. I feel fresh today. Time to get up. I'm brushing my teeth. Washing my face. Shower time. Let's make tea. Smells good. Toast and butter today. I'm ready for the day. You can practice these sentences every morning. Speak them out loud. Feel the words. Let them become a part of you. Every time you do this, you're not just practicing English, you're living in English. Section 3. Real conversations you can use today. Now that you've practiced your morning routine, let's take it a step further. Real-life conversations. These are simple, natural dialogues that you might use with your family, friends, or even strangers during the day. The goal here is to get used to how people actually speak in daily life. Not perfect grammar, not complicated words, just friendly, clear English. Let's go through a few everyday situations. Morning conversation with mom. You, Good morning, Mom. Mom, good morning. How did you sleep? I slept well. What about you? Mom, I slept okay. What do you want for breakfast? You, toast and tea, please. Mom, coming right up. Thank you. It smells really nice. Repeat this with me. Try changing the words a little to make it your own. At the market. Excuse me, do you have fresh tomatoes? Shopkeeper. Yes, right here. How much for 1 kilo? Shopkeeper. $2 per kilo. Okay, I'll take 2 kilos. And some onions, please. Shopkeeper. No problem. That's $5 total. Here you go. Thanks. Shopkeeper. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Talking to a friend. Friend. Hey, how are you? I'm good. What about you? Friend. I'm fine. Wanna go for a walk? Sure, I'd love to. Let's go. Now it's your turn. Pick one of these conversations and practice it out loud. Even better, record yourself or say it in front of a mirror. The more you practice real conversations, the more natural and confident your speaking will become. Section 4. Speak to yourself, your daily confidence habit. Now this might sound a little funny, but trust me, this is one of the most powerful things you can do to become a fluent English speaker. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, really. You don't need a partner or a teacher to practice speaking. You are your best speaking partner, and your mirror is your best audience. Let me show you how to do this in a fun and easy way. What to say? Start with your daily routine. Imagine you're explaining your day to a friend. When you wake up, good morning. I feel fresh today. I slept well. Now, I'm going to brush my teeth. When you're in the kitchen, I'm making breakfast. I'm hungry today. Let's have some toast and tea. When you leave the house, I'm going for a walk. The weather is nice today. I see birds and trees around me. In the evening, today was a good day. I worked hard and now I'm relaxing. I feel proud of myself. How to do it? 1. Stand in front of a mirror. Look into your own eyes. Speak out loud like you're talking to a friend. 2. Don't worry about mistakes. This is a safe space. Just speak freely. Nobody is judging you. 3. Use your hands, your face, your energy. The more expressive you are, the more confident you will feel. 4. Smile while you speak. Smiling changes your energy and makes speaking feel joyful and natural. Make it a daily habit. Do this for just 5 minutes every day. You'll be amazed at how much more confident you become. It's not about being perfect. It's about being brave, being consistent, and having fun with English. Ready to keep going? Section 5. Build your English environment, no matter where you live. Here's something I want you to remember. You don't need to live in the USA, UK, or any English-speaking country to learn English fluently. You can create your own English world right where you are. Yes, at home, in your town, in your daily life, English can be everywhere. Let me show you how to build your very own English environment. 1. Change your digital world to English. Set your phone, apps, and computer language to English. When you check the time, messages, or settings, guess what? You're reading English. It's a small change, but it trains your brain to see and think in English every day. 2. Watch and listen daily. Watch English YouTube videos, shows, or movies with subtitles. Listen to English podcasts while walking, cleaning, or relaxing. Choose topics you love: cooking, motivation, travel, stories, anything. Even 15 minutes a day can make a huge difference. 3. Read simple English content. Start with things you enjoy: short stories, blogs, news articles. Read aloud. This helps with pronunciation and speaking rhythm. Use apps like LinkU or websites like Simple English Wikipedia to find easy content. 4. Label your life. Take sticky notes and write English words for objects in your house. Put them on your fridge, mirror, door, table, and more. Every time you see them, read them aloud. This is a mirror. The light switch is on. The cup is on the table. It's a fun way to learn without studying. 5. Join online English communities. Join Facebook groups, Telegram channels, or Reddit forums for English learners. Comment, ask questions, and chat with other learners. You'll feel supported, inspired, and less alone on your journey. You are creating a life in English. The more you hear, see, and speak English around you, the more your brain accepts it as part of your life. And when English feels natural, speaking becomes easy. Now that your environment is ready, let's move to a beautiful part of this episode. Section 6. Be kind to yourself. You're doing great. Sometimes we focus so much on what we can't do yet that we forget to see how far we've already come. So today, I want you to pause and appreciate yourself. You're here. You're learning. You're taking action. And that's something to be proud of. 1. Progress, not perfection. Please remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep moving forward. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay if you don't understand every word. It's okay if you need to pause and try again. Because every time you try, you're growing. And growth is what really matters. 2. Speak kindly to yourself. Your brain listens to your words. So speak with love. Instead of saying, "My English is terrible," say, "I'm learning. I'm getting better every day." Instead of saying, "I'll never speak fluently," say, "I'm on my way to fluency." Positive words create positive energy, and that energy gives you confidence. 3. You're not alone. Millions of learners around the world are on the same journey as you. They also feel nervous. They also make mistakes. You are part of a beautiful global family of dreamers, people who want to connect, grow, and express themselves through English. You're never alone. And I am right here with you. 4. Celebrate the small wins. Did you understand a sentence today? Celebrate it. Did you speak without translating once? Amazing. Did you listen to English for 10 minutes? Great job. Every small win is a step forward. And step by step, you're building something wonderful. So, the next time you feel frustrated, take a deep breath and remind yourself, I am learning. I am growing. I am doing great. You're doing so much better than you think. Section 7. Final thoughts and next steps. Wow, you did it. You stayed with me all the way to the end of this episode, and that's something truly amazing. Give yourself a little smile, a small cheer, or even a happy dance because you're showing up, learning, and becoming the English speaker you dream of being. Let's take a quick moment to remember what we talked about today. You learned how to stop translating and start thinking directly in English. You practiced real, everyday conversations, naturally and confidently. You gave yourself permission to make mistakes and grow. You reminded yourself that you are enough and you're making beautiful progress, one step at a time. Here's your next step. For the next few days, try speaking out loud to yourself, in the mirror, in your room, while walking, even for just 5 minutes. Describe what you're doing, what you see, or how you feel in English. Just talk. No fear, no judgment. And remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Want to go deeper? Listen to this episode again tomorrow. Try shadowing with me, repeat after me. Match my voice, my rhythm. This repetition is your superpower. You're doing something powerful, not just learning a language, but building a new, confident version of yourself. So keep going. I believe in you. I'm proud of you. And I'm always here with you on this journey. Until next time, keep listening, keep smiling, and keep speaking English with love and courage. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next episode.